Pretend. Wanna stop it, man, and stop it laughing. Behave yourself. Stop it. Stop it. When you glad for me, you know, and me showing you the real deal, you know. You know how much girl will lip on her show say this thing I have to go through. You know how much girl the surgery and I show no the pain that them go through. I'm there I show you you're going like say. What am I supposed to do? They say icy, but the ice look like it's make it swell, I don't know. I want to go down to them, I have something to deal with today. I know this not go down till 3 days. I see it fully swell. It not go down till full. But them say me not to take no. When the man yeah. When you a part you fight every minute and you still go back to him, you know wicked? You know why I'm not taking a Benadryl because pill don't work for you. All the pill don't mash up on the inside. The only pill don't work again with pill. This pill don't work. I mean I take a pill and it not working. I mean I have the time for swallow nothing for it not working. You go down immediately, okay? Okay. A liquid. So you sure say it will help me? Alright, may I bite? So what about my eye? Stop it, man. Stop it. Stop it, man. Stop it, man. We need ID for a buy pill. What kind of madness is this? What more ID for? For buy energy? You should have never come live. Me buy the pill, may I wait for it to come. That lip now go down to it too swell. It now go down. I yesterday last night it looked like it now go down. It now go down. Can't boom back up, brother. Woo. Woo. Ay, ay, ay. Ow! At least my lip not ugly, like black or ugly. I'm a bust down wig. I'm inches here reach me down to my back. Only to look like a mudfish. Oh my god. If me even put on one mask, yeah, I can't hide. Me done for, me done. If me do put on one mask, the eye can't hide, you know see. When it's not one thing, it's the other. What am I supposed to do now? Life is so unfair. This is what they do to me today. After me figure going on one nice little meeting. Nobody can talk to me with a serious face. At least my teeth they're white in my mouth. When I look that bad, you know, just call me Bratz doll. Jesus, man, he look bad, I can't even see a smile. He look bad, I can't even see my smile, he look bad. And then my eyes swell under this. So. It did hurt me little bit. It did hurt me a little bit. No. I buy a pill, guys. I have to wait till it deliver. Because it lip fill and I'm gonna put it in my lip. But let me just say this to y'all. Y'all know I did my lips plenty time. 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. Each time you do your lip and it go down, you can do it back again for plump it back up. This is always how my lip then stay. It always swell when I do it. When I time for my lip go down, my lip go down and looking perfectly nice. And then first I do my lip and it swells a bit. If you don't remember the last time it is swell. Oh my god, oh my god, this can't be real. Oh god, and before people that encourage me, them I laugh. It not look like no begging can go on today at all. Like me forgot just go take a rest a day for myself and just lay down. Cause I don't even want I can't go through the day like this. See there? At 10:41 I have a plan 1 o'clock and see there, it mash up. I'm tired to put, you know, it not hurt me now. You like my nails? Put on the filter. Jesus, peace. No. My God, I can't believe I make you set me up like that for screen record. I can't believe you really make you trick me into put on the filter. Me don't know what to do. Me buy the pill, the Benadryl. Me I go just wait till it come. You know, sir. Wow. Afraid to add nobody for my life. I'm not allergy. I never lick my good man.